Hi everyone. Thanks for watching this video on how to create a Posit.Cloud account and access RStudio. To do so, you go to the course resources and scroll down to Posit.Cloud for RStudio and R. It should take you to a page that looks like this. Although you haven't used it before, you're going to be able to sign in with your PCC email. So click Log In instead of Sign Up and go to Log In with Google. Don't enter your PCC email into the login piece. Go to login with Google. And I happen to have already created an account. But if you've never created an account, you just enter in your PCC email and your single sign-on password, and then select that account. You can allow it to access that info. And then it will either ask you if you want to go to Posit.Cloud Connect, or it will take you directly to this page. This is the landing page where you can take a screenshot and upload it into your syllabus quiz so that I know that you have created a Posit.Cloud account. Now, in order to actually do work, we need a project. So go over here to New Project and select New RStudio Project. It's going to take a minute to set up and deploy, so I'll pause the video while it does that. And once it finishes deploying, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. Now, Posit.Cloud and RStudio is a place where you can do statistical programming, and it gives you a couple different windows to do your work. On the left is called a console. This is where the actual code is run and where the output is produced. On the right is a window that has a number of different tabs. You're probably going to just use the Files tab and the Plots tab. The Files tab is like a file folder on your computer. It shows you all the files that exist on the cloud server. The Plots tab, when you create images, they will show up here and you'll be able to copy and paste those. On the upper right is probably the only window, the only tab here you'll use is Environment. The environment shows you what information the programming environment itself, knows about. And we'll get into this a little more during a video orienting you to your first lab, but I just wanted to make sure that you are able to get to this point. Once you get here, you can watch the video on how to do Lab 1, which will show you the next steps in order to use Posit.Cloud, RStudio, and R to do some actual statistical analysis. When I worked as an epidemiologist, which is basically a statistician for public health, I used R and RStudio extensively. So you will be using the actual tools that statisticians use for doing actual statistical analysis in almost every industry in the economy. That wraps up this video. In terms of the next time you're going to use Posit.Cloud and RStudio, it will be when you start your Lab 1. So when you're ready to start that, you should watch the video that will be shown here that takes you through the process for getting started on Lab 1. Thanks for watching.